hello. Come on in, my skittish little white-eyed doe. Yes, you will follow me.
What are you doing over there? Expose it. No, what's it called? Like you're exposed in public.
Okay.
No.
Huh. Never understand women. I want it. I don't want it. Okay, it's bath time. This is how we do an art fair with Wham.
Especially for you, Alexander.
You gotta keep
This is
it
what you
going.
want to listen to at 6:30 in the morning.
Yeah, this is how we do it.
So explain what you're doing.
Okay, I gotta splash in the water for good luck. And splash. Yeah.
Oh.
I got pee pants.
Sorry for the people. Here. You are.
Okay.
So this is end of day 1 in Duluth. How you feel?
Very good. We had a very successful day. And we usually don't have a successful day until Sunday. Because Saturdays we usually feel like a big pile of But we feel good today. We don't feel like a pile of
That's true.
We feel like a pile of fluffy cotton.
How come you feel not like a pile of
As I sold 2 tables, Kara sold about $200 in pottery we had just scattered around. We weren't supposed to sell pottery. We sold pottery. Kara
We
made-
were staging and people liked it.
Yeah, people bought staging and computer
And there's 2 potential painting commissions maybe so far.
so far. Plus, Kara sold some prints, which is more than other art fairs as well. So it was a very successful day, and the weather was perfect,
Well,
except for the like 30 mile an hour gusts.
the morning was a little
In
wet
the morning it rained for 10 minutes, but
and nothing heavy.
no, nothing.
So anyway, so far,
Very good day. Besides the 6 hours of driving today.
well,
Maybe 7.
that's the only bad thing. Duluth has no places to
Yeah.
stay that are reasonable price-wise for us.
No hotel, drive 3.5 hours one way. Saw art on the street. Drive 3.5 hours home.
Get up at 5, get home by 10,
Put the bag on the highway.
throw at 4.
Throw out all the forts.
Can't say that though, our van's a Ford.
Yeah.
I didn't want to like it. I like it. It is a good van. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Come back. Oh my God, Beau, that's awesome. I want one. Can I have one? Oh, he's right there. Can I have another one? There. Oh my God. Hi. Oh.
Hang on to it though. No,
Oh, you had to pull hard for that one. Look at that cheeks. Oh, hi. Good job, little chipmunk. Wow.
I love you.
Yeah. Hi. Oh. Can we take him home?
No, we can't take him home.
I know. Wild America. Yeah, we fed a chipmunk. Good job. Oh, he's a big boy.
Big
Good
boy.
job, big boy. He's a big boy.
I thought you said that's on a bucket list. Inappropriate.